Hello and welcome to the Tigrepup Beauty channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to style your curly hair using flexible rods. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so right here, just giving you a 360 of what the hair is looking like before we begin. Of course, you can wear it in its natural state, but I'm trying to give you some options so you're not like stuck in a rut and having to constantly do the same thing over and over again. So first things first, we're going to section off the hair. I'm sectioning the two front sections from the back because it's going to take a lot more flexible rods to do the back. And right here, I'm taking about maybe a couple of rows, maybe 3 or 4. Actually, no, more like five rows at a time. And then I'm just going to go ahead on and rod set those. So that's what you see me attempting to do right here. Okay, so right here I'm going in with my mousse. As you can see here, it's not my first choice, but I just happen to have this one. So we're going to use this instead of like water because I didn't want to wet it any more because this is a quick fix. So that the hair will dry quicker. I'm going to use my Curl MAX, as you can see here, and that's to moisturize the hair because it's been a couple of days, actually a couple of weeks since I've moisturized it, and this is the perfect fix for that. So that's what you see me doing here. And I'm also going in with some serum to add some shine, just a little bit on each section so that the hair will look nice and healthy. So I'm just going to brush that through. And we're going to commence to rod setting. Now, I'm doing something a little different this time. Usually, I do like a regular spiral set like this. But as we go along, you're going to see me do something where I do like a twist. Because I saw that online. And I thought maybe I would give that a try. So that's what you're going to see me doing next. I'm putting a little bit more on the ends because I need them to cling to the rods as I'm rolling them. Okay, so apparently I'm just going to do a regular rod set as far as like how I'm rolling the rods in the very bottom section. So just check that out. And then next I'm going to go in and I'm going to twist the sections to add a little bit more contrast and variation into the hair. So it's not like all the same, if I'm making this that saying that, because curly hair is meant to be well, it has a nature of being you know, random and not so uniform, if that makes any sense. So that's what you see what you're going to see me doing in a few, so just keep watching. Okay, so now we're on to the next section. As you can see here, I'm going to start doing the twist, and this is supposed to give it more of like a natural look and feel for the final result. Sorry about that, I'm at work and I'm trying to do my videos. So yeah, that's what you see me doing here, and I'm going to pop in and out to give commentary, so just keep watching. As you can see, I'm kind of like alternating everything, so it's not so uniform and perfect. And I mean, it's curly hair, you know what I'm saying? So that's what the goal of this particular look that we're doing today. just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, so right here I'm just continuing on to make sure we have the entire head done. So again, with my 3 products that I've used before, just alternating between all 3 and making sure everything is nicely moisturized. So because we want not a dry frizzy look, you know what I'm saying? So that's what you see me doing here. Hey, did you know I sell wigs? I sell 5x5 closure wigs of varying cap sizes, cuts, colors, styles, okay? And I'm going to be getting into lace frontal, but right now I'm just doing the closure wigs because it's easier to maintain and whatnot, and it's beginner friendly. So if you were in the market to purchase a closure wig, then please check out my webpage, as you can see at www.tigrepuppbeauty.com. Tpup is short for Tigrepupbeauty, to make it a little bit easier instead of a long text. So check it out. Thanks for watching.
Tigre got the wigs, you gotta come through. Tigre's what you need to be a brand new you. Tigre wigs. Tigrepupbeauty.
Okay, so just continuing on, and I'll be back for the commentary, so just check everything out, okay? Okay, so now that the hair is dry, I'm going to unravel the rods. Um, yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. As you can see, it has a unusual spiral set. It's not traditional, just rods spirally set. Like I said, I want the end result to be more of a natural look and feel. That's why I alternated the size of the rods to keep it more natural feeling. So that's what you see me doing here. I'll be back after I finish unraveling the rods. Okay, so right here I put a little serum on my fingertips and I'm softly pulling the spirals out and taking my fingers and running it through. At the end, I'll take my fingers and twist the hair in between my fingers to try to like define the ends. But I mean, I'm doing like a natural look, so very unnatural, unstructured look. So that's the reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. And as you can see here, I'm using my serum. Concentrating on the front because it's a little more frizzy, but the ends of the back and the sides look a lot more better than the front. But like I said, just working this through and I'll be back. Okay, so here's the completed look. Hopefully you like this video. Just going to give you a 360 really quick. But yeah, I think this is a pretty unstructured, natural, curly look. It doesn't look so perfect in nature, which is why I like it. Hopefully this will give you an idea to try something new yourself. You could also, I mean, you don't necessarily have to wear the hair straight down or anything like that. I mean, you could actually do something new with it. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully this gives you inspiration to try something new. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.
Tigrepup, you.